So over here you can see that I have this particular section, and in this section I have a place to add an image or a video. So let's say I want to upload out an image right here. So to do that, simply click on add image video button, and here you can see that I can choose video and image. Let me just go around over here onto image, and then you can see that upload is an option. Go ahead and click, and then you can access out other uploaded images that you may have, or you can go to the Strikingly library as well. So there's different images as you can see, but let me just upload out an image that I have in my computer. Let me just click browse on computer right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and select out my image, let's say for example, and then click on open. Once I do that, what happens is that that particular image will be uploaded right here. So you can see that I uploaded that out, and now that particular image is here, just like this. And now you can go ahead and edit it, as you can see right here, like you can replace it, and even go to the image editor right here, and then change around the size and crop right here, just like this, to let's say for example square, and then change around alternative text as you like right here, just like this. Right here, you can add in roundedness to it, add alternative text to it, like let's say for example you can say something like bird, and save it out right here, just like this as well. So the image is inserted just like this. Let me just click on edit right here, just like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and let's say for example remove this particular image right here. I can go ahead right here and then go to, let's say for example, onto upload section, go to Strikingly library as well, and choose, let's say for example, an image from over here as well, and that particular image will be inserted. Click on edit, and then you get the same options for it right here, and then you can even go to the image editor so that you have access to editing out that particular image to your liking right here, just like this. And that is how you can simply go ahead and upload out your image. Another way you can go ahead and upload out an image is by using a link. So you can go ahead and add in a link right here, just like this, to the image as well. Or let me just go ahead and click on upload, and here you can see that you can actually add in a image link as well, just like this, directly. For example, let's say for example I have an image link. I can simply go ahead and paste it, press OK, and that particular image will be uploaded right here, just like this as well. So you can go ahead and edit it out and change it out as per how you like. Let me just add in a link right here, just like this as well, to the image. So I can go ahead right here and type in, let's say for example, www.wikipedia.org, and click on save, and the image will be linked. So if I were to go ahead right here and go to the preview, you will see the image right here in the page. So you can see the image, and the image is clickable, and once you click, it goes to Wikipedia as we linked onto it. And that is how you can go ahead and upload out images in different ways inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe